Good morning and Merry Christmas. We opened all the Christmas presents. I got everything done for right now. The kids are taking a nap. My oldest, George, he is playing video games and hanging out with his friends. So, gonna spend a little bit of time this morning because I'm crunched on time getting this ready. Gotta put some coolant in it because it's got a slow drip out the bottom of the radiator from the drain valve. It's not seating, or I don't know. I'm hoping if it gets warm it'll seat, but I'm gonna put some coolant in this thing and get it moved and pull the belly pans and get ready so that it's all ready for tomorrow for me to give this thing a good pressure wash. And I already topped it off with hydraulic oil. These early 320s have really big, heavy doors. Kind of a pain, to be honest, but they're nice thick doors. But you see it's full up on hydraulic oil, a little overfull when it gets hot and expands, but it's just really nasty in here. So I want to be able to pull all the belly pans and get it washed and ready to go. So I'll go start with put some coolant in here. Well, I got the log loader moved over here close to the sawmill where I can get a garden hose to a pressure washer. But I think the first order of business is going to be cleaning this cab out. Got a garbage can down there, so I'm going to toss all this stuff out of here. I'll have to get a seat cover later. But, I mean, I can't even feel like I can do anything else with this machine until this thing's cleaned out. But so many water bottles. It's ridiculous. That's a good hose. We'll keep that. So toss that over there. But lots of rags. I'm not sure if it was to wipe the windows down or what. But we got to get some of this stuff out of here. What's weird is like almost all the water bottles are like half full. So that's kind of interesting. But probably take this mat out of here. Kind of like to keep it for now, or I don't know, maybe I'll cut a mud flap or do something. But when I clean this thing, I want to at least be able to see the floor, and this thing's so oil soaked. But grease, that's good. We'll actually use that. Let's see what else. I think this stuff can stay in here for a minute. Well, it's better already. Need to figure this out too. Looks like it just needs cleaned up. Put back in. I'll pressure wash all this out. Oh, bees nests. Well, first let's toss this tube of grease down. There it goes. Get these bees nests out of here, because that's just gross. Huh. Okay. There's 3. Was there 3 or 4 in here? No. Okay. Well, right there, that's half the battle. Set this plexiglass down, and we also need the deal with this weather stripping for around the window. All right. This is where all the hoses go, or at least where I put them, and every outfit I've worked for put them. But I'm gonna take all the hoses out of here, the wrenches, get all this grease stuff cleaned up, and that way I can pressure wash all this as well. There we have her, full garbage bag out of stuff out of here. You know, one thing about it is this machine was, you know, the last couple years is a backup machine. So, you know, I mean, they don't get loved as much or cared for. So a lot of stuff just gets set aside or move jobs. And you know, over here in Idaho, you get breakup season where the road limits are on, so you don't really log. So you take that time and a lot of times fix and maintenance things. On the coast, a lot of times, you know, you don't get that opportunity. And when you change operators around a lot and stuff, and it's a backup machine, it just doesn't get cared for like they should. Not that that's an excuse, it's just kind of the reality sometimes. So I'm excited to get this thing all cleaned up. I mean, I'm so excited for this machine. Anyways. All right, this is gonna be the end of the video here. Next video will be pressure washing this thing, but I got a prime rib to put in the oven. So yeah, I got it all stretched out, ready to pressure wash it, ready to grease it. Pulled the belly pans off so I can blow a lot of the trash out of here, and also do an oil change on it. One downfall, the 320, I don't know if a B does, but the C's and D's have a plate right here you can unbolt to clean all that out. This does not have a plate, so I'll have to scoop all that out the best of my abilities. But got the hydraulic hoses out of there so I can blow that out. And yeah, so lots of little things to do. I do want to go through, like this plate has pinched this hose at some point in its life, and it's pretty tight. So I want to get that hose out of there and put all these hose in hose wrap. But yeah, it's coming together. Got the window open, and that window seal out, so I can glue that in place and pressure wash that window. I'm gonna actually pressure wash the whole cab, everything out. But yeah, so that's it for now. You guys have a great Merry Christmas, and thanks for watching. Bye now.